Thanks for having us here at Lake Country Manufacturing today, Scott.
Absolutely.
What's one of the most frequently asked questions that you might get here?
The most frequent question is, I have X tool, what pad do I use?
Okay, so let's say you have a Rubez 15.
Okay, so my first recommendation is going to say you want to use the HDO pads. They're specifically designed for long throw tools, 15, 21. You're going to get the most benefits for performance, durability, and just results.
Great. So my go-to tool in my shop is the Flex 3401. Typically I do use the force pads. Is that where I should be?
That's exactly where you should be. The force pad line is meant for force rotation tools, hence the name force. They're slightly thicker. They help with pad roll. They absorb some of the rigorous motion of that 3401. They don't call it a beast for nothing. If you're using a 3401 or a force rotation tool, the force pad line is where you're at.
So tell me about your favorite tool and product line.
I am a big fan of the SDO line. It's a great universal pad. You could pretty much use it on any of these tools that are out here, including the 1-inch for the small guys. Even on the Udos 51E, you can use the SDO pads on there because it is universal. It'll work for rotary and it'll also work for DA functions as well.
So it really has a lot to do with what you're working on and maybe the results that you're looking for too.
Correct. Like, a microfiber pad, I typically wouldn't recommend a microfiber pad for a rotary tool. There are some things where I wouldn't recommend certain pads, but for the most part, what I've recommended here would be my top recommendations per type of tool.
Thanks for great information, Scott. Thanks for having us here to Lake Country Manufacturing. For more information on the product line, visit autogeek.com.